Hello friends, by the end of this video, you will know exactly which machines to buy for setting up a spices powder business factory and, more importantly, how to upgrade your factory when you want to expand your business. This video is a must-watch for anyone looking to set up a spices powder business. When starting a spices powder business, it's best to have a factory that can produce 240 kilograms of powder per day. If you start with less, you'll likely need to upgrade your machines within 6 to 12 months. Starting with more can lead to unused capacity for a long time. Economically, begin with a 240 kilograms per day capacity for an 8-hour workday. Later, as your business grows, you have two options. If a 16-hour workday is not possible, upgrade directly to 700 kilograms per day after 2 to 3 years. If you can work 16 hours, first increase to 500 kilograms per day by working 2 shifts a day. Once you're fully using the 500 kilograms per day capacity, then consider upgrading to 700 kilograms per day. Now, let's delve deeper into the exact machines you need. When starting a spices powder business with a factory capacity of 30 kilograms per hour, you'll need several types of machinery. For processing spices, you will need cleaning machine to remove dirt, stones and other impurities to ensure the quality and safety of the final product. Aim for a capacity of 50 kilograms per hour machine, costing around 30,000 rupees. Then you will need chili, turmeric drying machine to reduce its moisture content, preparing them of grinding, adapted for small batches using solar or mechanical methods, ideally with a capacity of 50 kgs, which should cost around 63,000 rupees. You should also have dhania roasting machine to evenly heat seeds to enhance their aroma and flavor before grinding. Designed for small to medium batch sizes. With a 50 kilograms per hour capacity, costing about 85,000 to 100,000 rupees. Additionally, for mirchi and dhania, you should have mirchi, dhania grinding machine to pulverize dried chili dhania into powder or flakes, maintaining color and flavor. Suited for moderate volumes. The capacity of grinding machine should be 50 kgs per hour, costing around 50,000 rupees. Then additionally for turmeric powder, you should have turmeric grinding machine to pulverize dried turmeric into powder or flakes, maintaining color and flavor. The capacity of turmeric grinding machine should be 50 kgs per hour, costing around 56,000 rupees. After that, you will need spices powder packing machine to measures 50 grams to 500 grams, fill and seal ground spice into packaging, maintaining quality and freshness suitable for small operations. The capacity of packing machine should be 500 to 1000 packets per hour, costing around 250,000 rupees. Do subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel. All the best.